Hello, my name is Luke. I was one of the designers of Elucid. Our elevator pitch is that Elucid is a top-down 3D cyberpunk hack-and-slash game for the PC where you play as Nox, a sword-wielding vigilante fighting to single-handedly bring down the Yakuza under an eternal night sky in the fictional city of Teki, Japan. Now, I was responsible for the initial concept and the design alongside Reese. I was responsible for managing art direction, the initial level design, as well as the sound and UI design. We changed a little from our original vision. We scaled down our original goals for enemy variants, level detail, and areas. The motive behind these was mainly time constraints and the fact that we outscoped at the start. I'm most proud of the aesthetic style of the game and how faithful we were to our original concept for the art style. I've learnt a lot about how to manage and communicate with teams more effectively, how to use version control, and the do's and don'ts of scheduling game development.
Hi, I'm Reese, the designer in Elucid, responsible for level and gameplay. As we developed the project, many minor changes occurred, usually to build upon features and concepts. This includes level layout, environment scaling, character abilities, AI states, and more. Changes made were mostly reactive. We resolved issues as they arose and routinely used the team vision to inform those decisions. I'm incredibly proud of the EMP special. Every discipline contributed to a visually stunning experience that just feels good to use. Overall, this project taught me a lot, both about being a designer and what I need to do to work smoothly within a development team.
Hi, my name is Hannah. I was responsible for the concept, animations, UI, environment, characters, and decals and graffiti in Elucid. A lot of things were cut from production in the art sense, including major changes to the animations due to time constraints. We had too little time to do everything we wanted in the art aspect in production due to those time constraints. The thing I am most proud of is filling out the void and the graffiti in the environment. I've learned a lot about time management and communication throughout the production of Elucid, which I will be taking with me on future productions.
Hello, I'm Sean Speck. I was responsible for modelling of the characters and lighting. Yes, the original version for characters was 3 unique models. The reason behind changing this was a time constraint. We didn't have enough time to make 3 unique models. I'm happy with how I managed to pull off baking of all 3 characters from high to low in the time frame I was given. I have learned more about lighting in Unity and how to use Perforce and make occlusion culling in Unity.
Hi, my name is Ricky. I was responsible for almost all of the main environment assets. Some things that were changed from the original vision were some assets had to be cut or changed to be more simple. These changes were made because we didn't have enough time to create them. What I'm most proud of is the modular environment pieces and how they slot together. And what I've learned throughout this is a lot of stuff to do with shaders, stuff with optimization of models, teamwork, and version control.
Hi, I'm Jordan from Team Elucid, and my job was to gather reference imagery based off of the setting of the game. The original vision of the project was to include an exterior environment, but it was cut due to limited production time. I'm most proud of the models that I was able to completely finish and texture and get running in engine. During this time, I learned how to use.
Hi, my name is Jonathan. I was the programmer responsible for the player and the AI, as well as programming for their animations and some of their sounds, as well as a few small scripts like checkpoints. The project had a lot of changes happen when compared to the original. Character concepts were changed and a few features got cut out. The reason behind my decisions, and partially the group's decisions, was to produce a game we were proud of. I've learned a lot throughout this project about the importance of teamwork, communication, and mainly time management and planning.
Hello, my name is Evangelist Geekas, and I'm responsible for programming. At the start of production, there was a lot of fluff involved, so we had to trim a lot of things, and this happened again in the middle of the production as well. Another change that happened at the end of production was the programmer's AI role was swapped, and to prioritize the most important assets to be implemented because of the time limit to finish the game. What I was mostly proud of was just the making of AI because I was learning new things as I was going by, such as object-oriented, the state machine, and just setting up different behaviors for the AI in different situations when it's encountering against the player.